Conor here, and welcome to Neversink Gardening Basics. We're here in the family garden, and this is where we grow food for the family. And I want to go over today spacing in your garden. And you do these like that. It's something I get asked about a lot. I keep it really simple, and I don't do many variations. I either do 1 row on a bed, 2 rows on a bed, 3 rows on a bed, or 4 rows on a bed, and just keep it very simple. And when I do that, all I'm doing is, if I'm doing 3 rows, then it's the same even spacing this way in row. Right? I don't get any more complicated. So if it's 3 rows on a bed, I'm taking 30 inches divided by 3. That's 10 inches apart this way, and it's 10 inches apart that way. If it's 2 rows on a bed, then I'm dividing the row by 2, 30 inches, because my beds are 30 inches. And then that's 15 inches this way and 15 inches down the row. I'll give you a little tip, which is you can use a board for your spacing. So for 3 rows on a bed, which is 10 inches. You get a board that's probably about 8 inches, so you can plant on each side. And then you just flip the board over and plant the next row. Right? And you can even put markings on it, right? 10 inches apart. And then you can get, you have your plantings really even. And it always looks better when when they're perfectly spaced, evenly planted, and in straight rows. Right, not only is straight rows and even plantings beautiful, it also makes your cultivation that much easier.